CSPN 17 presents Nature in Progress, featuring field operative Boaz McKenzie, narration by Apollo Underwood.
On our journey into the vast wilds of nature, we've encountered a variety of beautiful and dangerous environments, and the creatures that inhabit them. Icy tundras, arid plains, and irritating desert sands. But today, we'll be investigating the temperate forests of Isle Royale and the proud animals it homes to experience true nature in progress. The building blocks of any ecosystem are its humblest creatures, the producers. In Isle Royale's case, this title goes to the humble balsam fir tree. The balsam fir tree can grow up to 66 feet tall. The one here, a pathetic 6'4", is clearly an adolescent. The humming sound you hear are the whispers of wind blowing through his needles. To continue our investigation, we have on the scene our field operative, Boaz McKenzie.
This is a fine specimen. You can see from here this is a really fine specimen. Let's take a closer look. Now take a close look here. You can really see all this fine. This bark right here, it's good, it's healthy, but he's a little thin, he's a little small. You know, he's probably being stunted by the native moose population. They're making him smaller. He's not very big. All right, this is a pretty cool tree. Let's go check out some other cool animals here on Battle Royale. All right, now I'd like to see some meese on this trip, so we're gonna do the moose call. Let's do the moose call.
Scoot!
Let's see if we can. Oh, I think I hear something. Oh, look at that. These are so beautiful, docile, gentle creatures. Really, you know, they're not like you.
You chose the wrong
force. Oh my God. They're eating him.
Indeed, the meese of this island eat well. Yes. Life isn't all easy for the meese of Isle Royale. There's another creature they have to deal with, the wolf. But it wasn't always this way. For a long time, the meese of Isle Royale lived without fear of predators. Long ago, the moose had made the hard, dangerous swim to this island. After such a treacherous journey, the meese decided to remain on Isle Royale. On their island, the only thing that constrained their growth was how much they could eat. Until an ice bridge formed over winter that led 2 wolves to Isle Royale. This bridge soon melted, leaving the wolves with nothing to do but procreate and kill. This has left their descendants with far greater numbers than their progenitors, but also leaving them subject to extreme inbreeding.
Wow, man. That's pretty crazy. That's nature in progress.
Maybe this last wolf won't be hungry for the next couple weeks, but he will be alone. The wolf population is dying on Isle Royale, and soon there will be none left. This day comes to an end, but life goes on the island. For now.